I'm a developmental geneticist by training. We study problems that occur during developmental biology in the embryonic window. So the two main problems my lab has focused on is we work on craniofacial development, particularly how the skull bones grow to cover your head. And when this process doesn't work well, the babies can be born with a massive hole on their head, or there are plates of the skull that fuse prematurely, not having enough room for the brain to grow. This is a second most common craniofacial birth defect. So we're hoping that the research that we do with basic developmental biology can inform therapies to correct these congenital defects, but also help with fracture healing that affects nearly 3 million people in the United States every year. The other project that we have is in skin scarring. We're trying to use a new line of research where we're studying fat cells in the skin to understand how they contribute to scar formation, but also, excitingly, to how to reverse established scarring. About 100 million people have scarring that is severe. It can be disfiguring, and also it can be debilitating because you lose skin function. What has kept me at Case Western Reserve University for the last 18 years is I've been really fortunate to be surrounded by highly motivated and hardworking undergraduate students that have kept my research team of graduate students productive. And then as my interests have evolved, I've been fortunate to find experts in both schools of medicine and engineering. And this work is not possible just by ourselves, but we've been lucky to also have outside the university collaborators on each of our projects, and we've been deeply invested in team science. Case Western Reserve Biology, it's a special place because I can be a teacher scholar where in the classroom I teach courses in developmental biology and developmental genetics and evolution, but I also have at any given time 8 to 10 undergraduates who take research for credit, and I can also work with them at the bench. I have tried to build my research lab as a special environment where I can hone students' abilities to solve problems, and that creates this culture of curiosity that we absolutely need as researchers to make life-changing discoveries.